Wow, your Android is not connecting to Wi-Fi, huh? You just keep attempting and it's not working. Well, in this video, I'm going to, tell you why your Android has connection issues and then how to fix Wi-Fi connection issues on your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Why your Android has connection issues, right? Connection issues on Android devices can stem from various factors, including settings, hardware problems, or network issues, right? Here are the common reasons and troubleshooting steps to resolve these problems. Okay, so some of the common reasons for connection issues, specifically in Android phones, is the Wi-Fi settings. The Wi-Fi may be turned off or the device may not be connected to the correct network. Ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled and that you are connected to the right network with the correct password. You have mobile data issues. If you are using mobile data, ensure that it is turned on and that you have sufficient coverage. Look for a signal indicator, right? 2G, 3G, 4G at the top of your screen. Airplane mode could be another factor. If airplane mode is enabled, it will disable all wireless connections. Make sure it is turned off. You have SIM card problems. A dislodged or dirty SIM card can prevent your device from connecting to the network. Check the SIM card is properly seated and cleaned. Network issues, right? Sometimes the problem may lie with the network itself, such as outages or poor signal strength in your area. Now, those are some of the common issues. I'm not saying that's all, but right now we're going to proceed to how to fix connection issues on your Android phone. But before I get into that, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, please take a moment right now because it's free to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Now let's proceed. So to resolve Wi-Fi connection issues on your Android phone, please follow these troubleshooting steps. So here are some basic checks, right? Ensure the Wi-Fi is enabled. Go to settings, then network and internet or connections and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Next, check airplane mode. Ensure airplane mode is turned off as it disables all wireless communications. Reconnect to the network. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, select your network and tap forget network, then reconnect by entering the password again. And then you can also restart devices, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Restart your router, unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Wait for it to reboot fully. You have advanced troubleshooting, right? So toggle airplane mode, right? Toggle, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This can reset your phone's network connections. Check for updates, right? Go to settings, about phone, software update to ensure your device is running the latest software. You can then, reset network settings, right? Navigate to settings, system, reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. This will reset all network settings to their defaults. You have safe mode. Boot your phone in safe mode to determine if a third-party app is causing the issue. If Wi-Fi works in safe mode, consider uninstalling recently added apps. Some additional steps to follow: move closer to the router, right? If you're far from the router, move closer to see if the connection improves. Check for interference. Ensure there are no physical obstructions or electronic devices that might interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. Factory reset. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, right? You're going to want to make sure you go to settings, system, reset options, factory data reset. Be sure to back up your data first, as this will erase all information on your device. If these steps do not resolve your Wi-Fi issues, then you're going to want to consider contacting your internet service provider or the manufacturer for further assistance in that regard. So now what we can do now is, there may be apps, right, that can be causing Wi-Fi issues on your Android phone. We talked about safe mode, right? Of basically how you can identify which apps that might be causing Wi-Fi issues on your Android phone, but there are other ways or other things that you can do in that same regard. So let's get into that right now. There's also network monitoring apps, right? You can use network monitoring apps to track which applications are consuming network resources. These apps can help identify any app that is using excessive bandwidth or causing connectivity issues. You can check app permissions, review the permissions for apps that have access to network settings. Sometimes apps with unnecessary permissions might interfere with network connectivity. Background data usage. You can check if any app is using a significant amount of background data. Restrict background data for apps that don't need to see, that don't need it, and see if that, resolves the issue. There's also app updates, right? Ensure all apps are updated to their latest versions, and as updates often include bug fixes that might resolve the connectivity issues, right? Now, are there specific apps known to frequently disrupt Wi-Fi connections? Yes, there are certain apps that are known to frequently disrupt Wi-Fi connections, and let's talk about it, right? You have torrent and third-party apps, right? Some users have reported that third-party and torrent apps can interfere with Wi-Fi connectivity. These apps might consume significant bandwidth or conflict with network settings, causing disruptions. You have the Covenant Eyes app. There have been reports of the Covenant Eyes app causing internet connection issues, including disruptions to Wi-Fi and even cell service. This app is designed for monitoring and filtering internet use, which might interfere with normal connectivity, right? So to mitigate, these issues, users can try uninstalling or disabling suspect apps to see if if connectivity improves. Additionally, using network monitoring apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer can help identify apps that are consuming excessive bandwidth. So I know I talked about it, but are there other things that you can do to see what apps that, if that's the case, what apps are using connectivity issues? Please let me know in the comments section below, right? Because it's important. Let's try to find these solutions together. Now, guys, this is the cybersecurity show, right? So I can't be biased here. I have to tell the truth. Now, antivirus apps can disrupt Wi-Fi connections, right? For those out there, that are really trying to take cybersecurity in our own hands, it's also important to note that antivirus apps can sometimes disrupt Wi-Fi connections on Android devices. As an example, users have reported issues with Avast antivirus interrupting their internet connection. This can occur because antivirus software may block certain network activities or interfere with the device's network settings as part of its security measures. So if you suspect an antivirus app is causing Wi-Fi issues, consider temporarily disabling it to see if the connection improves, or check the app settings to adjust network related features, right? So there's not really a one size fits all answer, right? Everybody's situation is not the same, but just knock them down one by one, right? If whatever I suggested in this video, just try one. If that doesn't work, try the next, okay? And until you get the answer. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.